Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by unloading and protecting items. Do that now. Once cleared, locate the plastic sleeves and the metal clips that lock each shelf to its posts. This is critical because those clips hold the weight. You'll work top down, stand on a stable step stool, and wear gloves. Use a flathead to pry open any stubborn sleeves gently, then tap the clip with a rubber mallet to release tension. Make sure to support the shelf with one hand while you free the first clip to prevent sudden drops. Once a clip is released, keep control, don't let the shelf tilt away from you. You'll lower the outer edge about 1/2 inch, then pivot the shelf clear of the post. This reduces binding on the wire. Make sure 2 hands share the load, one at the outer corner, one guiding past the post. When freeing multiple clips, alternate sides to avoid warping the grid. Place each removed shelf on padding, and drop clips and sleeves into a labeled bag, so reassembly or disposal is simple later. You're at the finish. Remove posts once all shelves are off. If posts are anchored to brackets or floor plates, unfasten screws first. Make sure to support any attached hardware. Inspect each post and shelf for bent wires or broken clips because damaged parts explain future instability. Clean grime now for storage or reuse and label the set. If a post or sleeve refuses to budge, spray penetrating oil, wait 10 to 15 minutes. Then tap gently with a rubber mallet. This relieves corrosion without wrecking components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.